applications out there, and this is pretty much the home screen and very easy to use. Pretty much a advanced AI application. You can ask the AI pretty much anything that you want to research, anything that. And as well, this option down here lets you upload images. As you can see, you can take a picture, upload images, documents. If you want the AI to scan documents, let's say you're tired of typing, you can as well tap on the voice note option here and send a voice note. And if I do tap on this over here, I'll be able to speak with the AI live as well. Not just in a voice note, I'll be able to interact with the AI as well with this application here. So that's pretty much it for that. So if I tap on this option at the top here, you have the section here. So the new chat option, you can open a new chat if you pretty much occupied with the first one that you're currently using. Or you can go in the chat section here and see all the chats that you have added with the AI. You can also as well search, and as well as you can see here, this is pretty much the most recent one that I've added with the application, and I can pretty much long press the chat and able to delete it, rename it, and as well add it to my favorite. So if I do tap on the new chat option, let's say I want to ask the AI something, I'm just gonna type something random, guys, and it will take a while. Based on the model, you will get a better response. So I'm gonna show you just real quick how to select different models using this application here. So as you can see here, this is the reply and so forth, basic reply. Here you can pretty much select or copy the information, can share the information with this one here. You can tap on this here to
Hi, how can I help you today?
To play whatever the reply is. You can give that like if you like the reply, not like if you don't like the reply. If you do not like the reply, I want a different reply from the AI, all you have to just tap on the circle icon here, and you're pretty much good to go. So if I do go back and tap on the new chat option, I'll go at the top here where it says this here. So I'll tap on this option here at the top. I'll be able to get different response based on the model. The higher the model, the better the response. Some of them specialize in different stuff, so do make sure you get down here so you can know which one to choose. So some of them you're going to need a subscription. Not all of them are for free. As I can see here, these other models down here, you're going to need a pro subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as well, this post icon here allows you to go in incognito mode, similar to Chrome browser and those browser, which doesn't save your chat, your Google searches or something like that. So if I do tap on this here, no chats or anything will be saved once I enable that feature here. And to exit it, all you have to do is tap on X here and it's gone back to normal. So to get the subscription for this application, it's very easy. Just tap on the upgrade option here and you'll be able to get their subscription. They offer a pro subscription, as you can see here, and a max subscription. So they're pretty much different and can pretty much see what you're getting for each subscription and their prices. So that's really pretty much it for this. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.